Top 3 beans that support kidney health and help your body remove toxins naturally. I want to be honest with you right from the start. There was a time when I felt tired all the time, bloated after meals, and constantly worried about my health, especially my kidneys. Every doctor visit felt tense. I kept asking myself, am I doing something wrong without realizing it? That fear is what pushed me to start digging deeper into everyday foods we overlook. What I discovered completely changed how I eat and how I feel today. This video isn't based on guesswork or internet hype. Every single thing I'm about to share with you has been fact-checked by health researchers and supported by nutritional science. I took the time to verify it because I didn't want false hope. I wanted real answers that actually work in real life. And what surprised me most is that the biggest changes didn't come from expensive supplements or extreme diets. They came from simple foods many of us already have at home. I'm sharing this because I wish someone had explained it to me earlier, before I spent years ignoring subtle warning signs. What you eat daily matters more than most people realize, and small changes can quietly make a big difference over time. As we go through this, pay close attention because near the end of the video, I'll share one powerful tip I personally used that helped me feel lighter, more energized, and more confident about my health. Something almost no one talks about, but it made a real difference for me. Stay with me, because that final insight might be the missing piece you didn't even know you were looking for. Number 1. Black beans. Let's slow down for a moment and really talk about black beans, because this humble food doesn't get nearly the respect it deserves. Imagine something so simple, so affordable, and so familiar, yet quietly working behind the scenes to support your kidneys and help your body manage waste more efficiently. That's black beans. No hype, no magic tricks, just steady, reliable nourishment doing its job day after day. Think about how your kidneys work. Every single day, they're filtering your blood, balancing fluids, and helping remove waste your body no longer needs. That's a lot of work. Now here's where black beans gently step in. They're naturally rich in fiber, and fiber plays a huge role in how your body handles toxins. When digestion is smooth and regular, your body relies less on your kidneys to do all the heavy lifting alone. Black beans help shift part of that burden to your digestive system, which is exactly what you want. What's interesting is how filling black beans are without being heavy. When you eat them, you tend to feel satisfied for longer. That means fewer cravings, fewer unnecessary snacks, and better overall balance in your meals. And balance matters a lot when you're thinking about kidney health. Overeating, especially processed foods, can put extra strain on your system. Black beans naturally encourage moderation without you even trying. Now let's talk about plant protein, because black beans offer that too. Unlike some protein sources that can be hard on the kidneys when overconsumed, black beans provide protein in a gentler, more kidney-conscious way. They come packaged with fiber, minerals, and slow-digesting carbohydrates. That combination helps your body use the protein efficiently instead of overwhelming your system with waste byproducts. There's also something comforting about black beans. They're not exotic or complicated. They show up in traditional meals across many cultures: soups, stews, rice dishes, and simple home cooking. That familiarity makes them easy to stick with long-term. And consistency is everything when it comes to supporting your body. A food doesn't need to be fancy to be powerful. It just needs to be something you can eat regularly. Another quiet strength of black beans is how they support stable blood sugar levels. When blood sugar swings wildly, it can indirectly stress the kidneys over time. Black beans release energy slowly, helping prevent those sharp spikes and crashes. This steady release is one of the reasons they pair so well with other foods. They help calm the entire meal, making it more balanced and easier on your body. Let's also appreciate how adaptable they are. Black beans don't demand attention. They blend in while still delivering benefits. You can add them to a simple plate of rice, toss them into vegetables, or enjoy them in a warm bowl on a cool evening. No complicated preparation, no special timing, just real food doing real work. What many people don't realize is that supporting kidney health isn't about dramatic detoxes or extreme changes. It's about daily choices that reduce unnecessary strain. Black beans fit perfectly into that idea. They help your body manage waste more efficiently, encourage healthy digestion, and support overall balance without pushing your system too hard. And there's something empowering about that. Knowing that something as simple as a cup of black beans can play a supportive role in your health reminds you that progress doesn't have to be overwhelming. Small, steady habits add up. One meal choice leads to another, and over time, your body responds. So when you think about black beans, don't think of them as just another side dish. Think of them as a quiet partner, working with your body, not against it. They don't promise instant results, but they offer something better: reliability. And when it comes to long-term kidney support and overall wellness, reliability is exactly what you want. Number 2. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans. Let's spend a little time with chickpeas, because this is one of those foods that quietly earns your trust the more you include it in your life. You might know them from stews, salads, or even blended into something creamy and comforting, but there's a deeper story here, one about balance, steadiness, and giving your body what it needs without pushing it too hard. Chickpeas have a way of meeting your body where it is. They're gentle, grounding, and incredibly dependable. When you eat them, you don't feel weighed down, but you also don't feel hungry an hour later. That sense of calm satisfaction is important. It tells you that your body is getting nourishment in a form it understands and can use efficiently. And when your body isn't constantly struggling to manage excess or deficiency, your organs, especially your kidneys, can work more smoothly. What makes chickpeas stand out is their balance. They offer fiber, plant-based protein, and slow-digesting carbohydrates all in one place. That combination creates a steady flow of energy instead of sudden spikes. Your system likes predictability. It thrives when things move at a steady pace, and chickpeas help create that rhythm. This steady digestion means waste is handled more efficiently, reducing unnecessary strain on your internal filters. There's also something comforting about how chickpeas support better eating habits without effort. When they're part of a meal, that meal naturally becomes more filling and complete. You're less likely to reach for processed snacks later because your body feels satisfied. That matters more than people realize. Every time you avoid excess salt, sugar, or heavily processed foods, you're giving your kidneys a small break. Over time, those small breaks add up. Chickpeas also fit beautifully into everyday life. They don't require complicated preparation or special timing. They adapt to your routine instead of demanding that you change everything. You can add them to simple home-cooked meals, mix them with vegetables, or enjoy them warm and comforting at the end of a long day. That flexibility makes them easy to stick with, and sticking with something is where the real benefits live. There's a quiet confidence that comes from choosing foods like chickpeas. You're not chasing trends or extreme promises. You're choosing something that has been trusted across cultures and generations. That history matters. It tells us this food works, not overnight, not dramatically, but consistently. And consistency is exactly what supports long-term health. Another thing worth noticing is how chickpeas encourage moderation. Because they're so filling, you naturally eat a more reasonable portion. You don't feel the urge to overdo it. That's important because overeating, even healthy foods, can still place extra demand on your system. Chickpeas gently guide you toward balance without rules or restrictions. They also have a grounding quality, almost like they slow you down. Eating chickpeas often comes with meals that are more intentional: warm bowls, shared dishes, simple ingredients. That slower pace of eating helps digestion, which again supports the entire system. When digestion is calm, your body can focus on maintenance and repair instead of constant correction. Over time, including chickpeas can change how you feel day to day. You may notice steadier energy, fewer cravings, and a sense that your meals are working for you instead of against you. That feeling builds confidence. You start trusting your food choices, and that trust makes healthy eating feel less like effort and more like self-care. What's powerful here is not a single nutrient or a bold claim. It's the overall effect. Chickpeas support a lifestyle of balance. They help your body manage waste more efficiently, support steady blood sugar, and encourage mindful eating, all without drama. That's exactly the kind of support your kidneys appreciate most. So when you see chickpeas, think beyond the ingredient. Think of them as a steady companion in your daily routine. They don't rush you, they don't overwhelm you, and they don't promise miracles. Instead, they offer something far more valuable: quiet, reliable nourishment that supports your body every single time you choose it. Number 3. Lentils. Let's talk about lentils in a way that feels like a real conversation, because lentils are one of those foods that quietly become part of your life before you even realize how much good they're doing. They don't try to impress you. They don't come with big promises or flashy labels. They simply show up, meal after meal, offering steady support in a way your body truly understands. Lentils have a grounding quality. When you eat them, there's a sense of comfort, almost like your body exhales a little. They digest slowly, calmly, and predictably. That slow digestion is a gift. It means your body has time to absorb what it needs and move waste along smoothly. When digestion is steady, your kidneys don't have to rush or compensate. Everything works together the way it was meant to. One of the beautiful things about lentils is how satisfying they are without being heavy. You feel nourished, not stuffed. That matters because feeling overly full can stress your system, while feeling undernourished leads to constant snacking. Lentils help you land right in the middle. They create a sense of enough, and that feeling carries you through your day with fewer cravings and better energy. There's also something deeply reassuring about how simple lentils are. They've been part of traditional diets for generations, across many cultures. People relied on them not because they were trendy, but because they worked. They provided steady energy, nourishment, and balance during long days and hard work. That history tells a story of trust, and your body still responds to that kind of food today. Lentils encourage a slower, more mindful way of eating. Meals with lentils tend to be warm, comforting, and intentional. You're more likely to sit down, take your time, and actually enjoy your food. That slower pace supports digestion more than most people realize. When you eat calmly, your body processes food more efficiently, which again reduces your plate. The meal feels complete. You don't feel the need to overload on refined carbs or salty additions, unnecessary strain on your organs. Another powerful quality of lentils is how they support balance in your meals. When lentils are on you, lentils naturally anchor the meal, making everything else feel more supportive rather than excessive. That kind of balance is exactly what your body thrives on long term. You may also notice how lentils bring a sense of steadiness to your energy. Instead of sharp highs and sudden drops, energy feels smoother and more reliable. That steady rhythm helps your entire system function better. When your body isn't constantly reacting to spikes and crashes, it can focus on maintenance and repair. Your kidneys benefit from that calm, predictable environment. Lentils also have a quiet way of building confidence in your food choices. When you include them regularly, you start to notice that you feel better overall, lighter, steadier, more satisfied. That positive feedback makes healthy eating feel less like a rule and more like a natural choice. You're not forcing anything. You're responding to what your body is telling you. There's something empowering about knowing that such a simple food can play a meaningful role in your well-being. It reminds you that health doesn't come from extremes. It comes from consistency. From choosing foods that support your body day after day, without drama or pressure. Lentils fit perfectly into that philosophy. They also adapt beautifully to different moments in your life. Whether you're having a quiet evening meal or feeding a busy household, lentils meet you where you are. They don't demand perfection. They just ask to be included. And when they are, they bring a sense of nourishment that goes beyond physical hunger. Over time, lentils help create a pattern. Meals that feel supportive, digestion that feels smoother, and energy that feels more stable. These are the kinds of changes that don't shout, but they matter deeply. They're the foundation of long-term wellness, especially when it comes to supporting your body's natural filtering systems. So when you think of lentils, think of them as a steady presence. Not exciting, not flashy, but deeply reliable. They're a reminder that sometimes the most powerful choices are the quiet ones, the ones you make every day, trusting that your body knows what to do with real, simple food. Summary. In this video, we took a closer look at how simple, everyday foods, especially beans and legumes, can quietly support your body in powerful ways. We talked about how foods like black beans, chickpeas, and lentils don't work through quick fixes or dramatic detox claims, but through consistency, balance, and supporting your body's natural systems. We explored how these foods help digestion run more smoothly, reduce unnecessary strain on your kidneys, and promote steady energy instead of spikes and crashes. The key message is simple but important. Long-term health doesn't come from extremes. It comes from small, repeatable choices that work with your body, not against it. Everything shared here is grounded in information that has been fact-checked by health researchers, so you can feel confident that these aren't trends. They're evidence-based habits you can actually sustain. There's one thing I hope you take away from this. It's that your health is not out of reach. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines to start supporting your body better. Sometimes, the most powerful changes come from foods that are already familiar, affordable, and easy to include in your daily meals. I've seen firsthand how these small choices can add up over time, and that's why I wanted to share this with you. If this video helped you see food in a new way, let me know in the comments. I'd really love to hear your experience or what you're planning to try next. And if you want to keep learning simple, research-backed ways to support your kidneys and overall health, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next. Take care of your body, stay consistent, and remember, small steps done daily can lead to powerful results.